In this video, we are going to see how we can switch our professional account to a personal account on Instagram. So due to whatever reason you want to save this or switch to personal account, here's how you can easily do this. First of all, just click on the bottom right hand corner on the profile icon, and you click on these three lines at the top right hand corner. From here, you will see the second section or the third section that says for professionals. Under there, the third option says account type and tools. We click on that. And from here, account type is selected to professional. So if you click on that, we get the details about this account. So if you want to switch it, click on switch account type. And from here, when we click to switch account type, you will see this option down here which says switch to personal account. So if you can't find it, you just have to wait for some time. If you just recently change it to professional account, you will see this option after some time. Click on switch to personal account, and you will notice when you head over back to your profile, the professional dashboard option is gone from here. And that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.